Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to assign pals to work on your base in Palworld. So it's very easy to do this, but there are certain things you need to keep in mind. So if you go to our pal box here and click F, right? And you're going to see pals at the base. I have 14. So for example, I want to use Yormantide Ignis because he's pretty much the best kindling or fire pal. As you can see, it's level 4, right? If I want to use him, I just need to click on him and then put in here. As long as you have a slot open, put it there, and he's going to be on the base. Now if you want him to be working on something specific, all you need to do is press V. So you're gonna pick him up, right? And here what you want to do is bring him to the place where, or position, or task that you want him to just focus on. For example, so we need kindling for furnaces, right? So just click V again and point to the spot. So we're pointing at the furnace here, V. And now once you start working on a furnace, or if it's queued up, this pal will just focus on working on this specific task on your base. Another thing to note, make sure that you have, oh, there's a lot of big people here. Make sure that you have enough beds for your pals, because if you don't have enough beds, they're going to sleep on the ground, they're going to be grumpy, and they're going to act up and not want to work at your base. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that bell icon. To see you on the next one.